Hello children, good morning everyone. Let's continue with remaining question answers. In previous session we have discussed 1 to 9 question answers. Today start from 10th number. The writer expresses his great gratitude to Stephen Hawking. What is the gratitude for? In this sentence, in this question, it means writer expresses his great gratitude to Stephen Hawking, to the scientist. So what is the gratitude for? The answer is the writer expressed his gratitude to Stephen Hawking because he had been an inspiration for him. He saw Stephen as the embodiment of his bravest self. He felt that if he had been as brave as Stephen, he would have achieved a lot. वो ऐसे सोचते थे हमारे राइटर्स कि अगर वो स्टीफन के जैसे ही ब्रेव है, करेजियस है, तो उन्होंने बहुत कुछ हासिल कर दिया है, अचीव्ड अ लॉट. He felt he was moving towards that embodiment that he had believed in for many years. That is why he expressed his gratitude to him as he had made him realize what great heights he could reach. क्योंकि वो अपने आप में ये बिलीव कर रहे थे कि आफ्टर मीटिंग स्टीफन हॉकिंग्स he realized that he reached at the great heights that he could reach. Number 11, complete the following sentences tracking their appropriate parts from both the boxes below. Here 5 sentences are given, then 2 columns are also given, A and B. Now what we have to do in this exercise, we have to join these 3 sentences together. So number 1, there was his assistant on the line. In these 5 sentences, number 1 is given, there was his assistant on the line. Now from A we will select number B, and I told him I had come in a wheelchair from India. So here we have joined 3 sentences together. Number 2, you get fed up with people asking you to be brave. Now we will take from A column this sentence, as if you have a courage account on which you are too lazy to draw a check. This one is taken from column B. Number 3, there he was tapping at a little switch in his hand, trying to find words on his computer. Number 4, you look at his eyes which can speak. Now taken from column A these words, and they are saying something huge and urgent, and this one is taken from column B, it is hard to tell what. Number 5, it doesn't do much good to know that there are people smiling with admiration to see you breathing still. Now we have completed working with text. Now let's start working with language. Question number 1, see the instruction. Fill in the blanks in the sentences below using the appropriate forms of the words given in the box. Number 1, I made a blank from an antique land. Now in the box some words are given: guide, succeed, chair, travel, pal, draw and tube. From these words we will select travel for the first blank. Now here we have to fill these blanks with appropriate form. So here the appropriate form of travel is traveler. I met a traveler from an antique land. Number 2, I need special blank in mathematics. I can't count the number of times I have failed in the subject. Guide is given here, but here we will write proper form of this word guidance. I need special guidance. I can't count the number of time I have failed in the subject. Number 3. The guide called Stephen Hawking a worthy blank to Isaac Newton, successor. Here success is given, we will write the appropriate form of success. Success is successor. Successor means next. Number 4. His other problems blank into insignificance beside this unforeseen mishap. Now, which word is given here? Pal. P-A-L-E given here. But we will write appropriate form of pal as the answer of this blank as pal. P-A-L-E-D. Number 5. The meeting was blank by the youngest member of the board. From the box, we will take chair. Now, we will write the appropriate form of this word chaired. C-H-A-I-R-E-D. Chaired. Next, some people say yours blank when they informally refer to themselves. Some people say yours truly. True is given in the bracket. Now the appropriate form of true we will write truly. Next, number 7. I wish it had been a blank match. We would have been spared the noise of celebration at least. In this blank we will write drawn. Draw is given in the box. Now we will write the appropriate form of draw as drawn. Next question. Now make 6 such phrases using the words given in the box. In the box, the word is given as read and session. Read oblique session. Now what we have to do here? We have to write the phrase using the words. So here the answer is reading session. Next, smile face. Smiling face. We have to add ing at the end of the verb, action word. Revolving chair. Then next, walking tour. Number 5, dancing doll. And number 6, winning chance. Here we have made 6 phrases using the words given in the box. Next, use all or both in the blanks. Tell your partner why you choose one or the other. Now students, here what we have to do? We have to use all. We have to use both. Either all or both we have to use here. Number 1. He has 2 brothers. Blank are lawyers. Now simply here there are 2 boys talking. He has 2 brothers. उसको 2 भाई हैं. दोनों ही lawyers हैं. So we have used here दोनों means both. Both are lawyers. When we talk about 2 persons, then we can use both, and when we talk about more than 2 persons, we have to use all at that on that blank. Number 2, more than 10 persons called. Here how many persons talk? 10 persons. More than 10 persons. That's why we have used all in this blank. They blank cheered the team. यहाँ पे पूरी टीम की बात हुई है, राइट? सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट मोर देन 2 persons and naturally in team there are many persons, so here we will use all. They all cheered the team. Number 4, blank her parents are teacher. Here it is talking about parents. So generally parents means mother and father. So here it talks about two persons, that why we will write here both. Both her parents are teachers. Parents means both her mother and her father. Number 5, how much have you got? Give me all of it. Here we will use all in this blank. Next exercise, complete each sentences using the right forms of the adjective given in bracket. This is the last exercise of this lesson. Number 1, my friend has one of the blank cars on the road. Once again, I am repeating what we have to do in this exercise. We have to write forms of the adjectives, means positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. From these 3 degrees, we have to write appropriate form of the degree. My friend has one of the blank cars on the road. Here superlative degree is used, that's why we will write fastest. Which one we will write here? Fastest. Fastest. For positive degree, we have to add est at the given adjective, at the end of the given adjective. Number 2, this is the blank story I have ever read. So this is also superlative degree, that's why we will write here the is already given, so we will write most interesting. Which one we will write? Most, and then we will write this word interesting. Number 3, what you are doing now is blank than what you did yesterday. So here there is a comparison between now and yesterday. So in this sentence, comparative form of adjective is used, easier. The word is given here easy. Here we will write easier, which is comparative form of the adjective. Number 4, Ramesh and his wife are both blank. Here positive degree is used, so we will write the given form, base form of this word, short. And last blank, he arrived blank as usual. Even the chief guest came blank than he did. So here we will write late in the first blank, because in the first blank positive degree is used. Then we will write earlier, because in the second blank positive degree is used. That's why we have written positive form of this word. So students, here we have completed our lesson of visit to Cambridge. We have completed the explanation, question answers and other exercise of this lesson. I hope you understood all these things very well. Bye everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.